lock it in. The open end, lock it in. Don't let it go. Here we go. Take your index finger and your thumb inside, okay? You ready? And we're going to twist. Grab the top, pull it over, pull it over, pull it over, but you're also pulling the bottom string. Can you see that? Put your needle inside. Bam. Okay. Now remember, I told you you're going to have to hold this like a fist, okay? And pop it up. Remember, your index finger holds the yarn. Okay, you ready? Wrap it around. You ready? One more time. Wrap it around, okay? Hold your work. And remember, we're going to play this like a violin. Now, the face of the hook faces the front of you. The back of the hook faces the front of you. Here we go. Wrap it under, like going under the shoulder. You know how they go under the rope when they're about to enter the ring? They go under. Okay, so when we go under, we're going to twist our needle so that the face of the needle is facing you now instead of the back of the needle. You ready? Go under, twist. It's facing me. Can you see? It's facing you. It's facing me. It's facing you. It's facing me. Now, when it's facing, now don't forget, do not let go of any of your yarn. Keep your index finger up. It does get tiring at first, but you become used to it. Your middle finger and your thumb still holding that knot that we made down here, you guys. Still don't hold on, hold on, hold on. Don't let it go. And like I said, we went under. Now pull it through that hole. You see this hole? Can you guys see a hole? The knot made a hole. The needle is in the hole. Pull it. We're going to pull it all the way through. Can you guys see it? Now we just made one chain. Do it again. Repeat. We're going to do it again slow. The back of the needle is facing me. The front of the needle is facing you guys. We're going to go under. Turn that needle around. Don't let it go. That needle should be facing you. That hook should be facing you. Pull it down until it goes through that hole that you just made. Boom, that's 2. Now I'm going to speed it up for you guys. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oops, I'm sorry. 8, 9, and 10. Now you're going to go up 3. Now remember, when we go up 3, it's all going to come out. Trust me. We're going to go up 3. Now remember, hold right here. So we're going to remember where we started. 1, 2, 3. Now we just made that 3. Take this needle and go under. Now where we stopped at 10, we're going to take those 3 and bend it back to the 10th hole. Oops, I can't even get it. How about that? Pull it through. I'm sorry, push it through. Now take the needle and do what you did earlier when you first started your chain. Go under, pull through. Now you should have three lines on your hook. Maybe I should use a different color hook to make it easier for you guys to see. This is my favorite hook, so but I will switch it up for you guys. Give me 1 second. Let me finish this right here for you. After I do this row, then I'll switch it. Now we're going to go. We're doing a double crochet. You have 3 on a hook. We're going to do what we did at first. I know this is confusing. Don't forget you have 3, but with the 3, we're going to take it through only 2. We're going to take it through only 2. Pull it, go under, only pull it through 2. Now you have 2 strands of yarn on your hook. Go back, do what we did in the beginning. Take that needle, go under, turn it around, and go through both. Now you have 1. We did a 3, 2, 1 on them. Matter of fact, I'm going to change the needle right now for you guys. Always hold your work. Never let it go. I'm trying to tell you, it will unravel and upset you. You be like, oh, dang. Make sure I'm using the right size. I want to keep it, and always make sure you keep the right size needle. Even, I don't care, you can use any hook. You get tired of using this one, you want to use a green one, use a green one. You get tired of using a green one, grab a blue one. You get tired of the blue one. But no matter what, use the same size hook. Let's see what red and green looking like. This is a little fatter. Is this looking a little better? Oh yeah, that's coming out a little better. But the thing is, this is just a little bit bigger. So let's try this blue one. I love that sound. All right, so this is where we left off at. So it's at 3, 2, 1. We're gonna go under. Now I'm gonna get in here for you guys. I hope that you can see. If you can't see that clear, please comment in the description below, and I will redo this video for you guys, even if it's just a 60-second video, just to go back, because I want you guys to pick it up. When I looked at the crocheting videos for beginners, they didn't go back. No, that's why I had to keep pause and rewinding, pause and rewinding, pause and rewinding. Oh my God. Okay, so back. I'm a rambler. Don't forget, hold your chain. Hold your new work. Go under. Now we're going to go to this hole, to the next hole. Pull through. Now we have 3 again. 1, 2, 3. Remember we did 3. Now we're going to go under. Pull it through again. Boom. Now we have 2. We have 2 on the needle now. Now we're going to do it again. Bam. We're just going up. Now we're going to go under, go to the next hole. Oops. How am I supposed to be teaching you guys something and I'm messing up? I'm a mess. But it's fun, isn't it? No, it's crazy. Let me know. So, okay, so we're going to keep going. When I get to the second line, I'll talk to you guys a little bit about just little stories about crocheting. Because I can easily, can you see me? I can easily go off track. You know, I'm good for that. Here I go again. You guys are ready? So we have 3 on the needle. Can you see? Go under, pull through only 2. Now you just made 2 on the needle. Grab that yarn, pull it through. Bam, 1 on the needle. Under, now go to the next hole. This is crazy, I know. You're back to having 3. You're back to having 3, and that's good. We're doing good. We're doing good. We're good. We're doing good. I remember the first time I did this. Oh my goodness. Can you guys see? 2, 1. Hoop. Now we have 3. Grab it again. 3. We want 2. And 1. 3. 2. 1. Grab it again. 3. 2. 1. Just counting down. 3. 2. 1. Over it again. Now remember, we only did 10 on the chain, so we're doing just a short little square. I'm just showing you. See, isn't it cute? It's coming out. It's coming out. It's coming out. 3, 2, and 1. And can you see this little hole right here? This last little hole. I don't know if you guys can see my nails. I know. These are my nails. I just put some acrylic on top because my nails break so easy. So 3, 2, that's Pikachu. Please excuse her. 1. Boom. We made our first double crochet chain. Now, this is where it's going to get tricky at. Next time I'll show you guys how to change color also. This video we're just going to do a quick square. I just taught you guys how to do the double crochet, and we got to learn how to turn our work. Okay, so now we're going to go up 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. We went up 3 chains. Want me to do it again for you guys? Alrighty. Just for you. Ready? 2, 1. That's 3 chains. She's on the scratching her nails. Oh my God, I'll tell you about this cat in a minute. Turn your work around. I didn't do anything special. Hold on to your work. Don't take the needle out. Just spin your work around. Now, there's so many ways we can do this, but we're going to start right here. You're going to go in this hole, okay? We're going to go in the first hole you see. Bam. We're going to go under all of these holes. There's also a technique. It's called the rib. Am I saying it right? Where we go, see, it's like a braid. Can you see? It looks like a braid, right? But we go into the back of the braid of each one and we just lift it. When I get to the third row, this is the first row.